Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we're always on the pulse of the latest electric vehicle trends and innovations. I'm your host, insert name, and today we're looking at a fascinating market that's poised for explosive growth. The Mexico electric vehicle battery market is all set to hit USD 9,222.29 million by 2033, with an astonishing compound annual growth rate of 26.04%. That's right, folks. This market is expected to explode in the coming years, driven by increasing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly transportation solutions. So, what's driving this growth? Well, Mexico is one of the most promising electric vehicle (EV) markets in North America, with many major automakers setting up manufacturing facilities and investment plans for the country. And it all starts with the battery, the heart of any EV. The good news is that Mexico has a thriving battery industry, with several key players already established on the scene. From established manufacturers like LG Chem to newer entrants like BYD, these companies are working tirelessly to meet the growing demand for high-quality batteries. But what's behind this growth? It all comes down to one thing: affordability. As EVs become more mainstream, consumers are looking for ways to make sustainable transportation more accessible and affordable. And that's where Mexico's battery industry comes in, providing high-quality batteries at competitive prices. Now we know what you're thinking. What does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Well, my friends, it means one thing: get ready for a revolution. With EVs becoming increasingly popular and batteries getting more efficient by the day, we can expect to see a significant increase in adoption rates. So there you have it, a look at Mexico's electric vehicle battery market, which is poised to change the game in the years to come. Join us next time on Electro Drive News for more updates from the world of electric vehicles.